Hey, Vishnu Gupta here, founder of Lasting Software. And thanks for taking out the time to watch this video that will explain you how to grow your manufacturing business, even if you have zero experience. My team has spent a lot of time and money developing this product for you. Why? Because of three simple reasons. But before I get into those reasons, here is something important. Please make sure to watch this training video till the end. My goal is to get you results with this tool and ensure that you know how to manage your own business effectively. And the only way I can do that is if you watch this video till the end. The results have been unbelievable since the time we have implemented Lasting Software. For example, one of our clients, Sujal Exim, has profits increased by 30% in a year by implementing our product. In fact, these are the same strategies that I use to grow my own manufacturing businesses at the rate of 35% year on year. Here's the proof. This is me standing in front of my team. This is the staff, who is handling the manufacturing business. And the other team, and I have, three plants as of now. Earlier, I was having only one manufacturing unit, and today we have three manufacturing units. So my team has grown like anything. The pattern goes something like this: follow, implement, get results. So you have to follow what we have created, right? You have to implement what we have discussed in your business, and automatically you will get the results. So as I said before, we have made this tool for three reasons. The first reason is the big opportunity to grow your manufacturing business is here. Why? Because India has a big advantage in manufacturing as of today. So earlier, India was on the 11th position on the competitiveness index. You can see India was here. So now India has gone up to 5th place. So it's like India is in a very sweet spot right now. So if you want to grow your business, like this is the time. If you want to stay in manufacturing business, this is the time. And if you won't change, you will be out of business in no time. So this is how, this is the reason why India is becoming so good at it, because first of all, it's the government campaign like Make in India. Government is also pushing manufacturing at the best. Like they are going into new infrastructure, right? Changing the mindset. So government is pushing their reforms for manufacturing. Also, we are in the fourth revolution of industry. Like we are in the industry 4.0, in which digitalization is the main part. So we have to become digital to, keep up with the fourth revolution. So this is why India has a big advantage. The second reason is you have to change constantly. So change is the new constant, right? So I'll give you examples of the two failures. So you see Nokia here. Nokia did not change its technology with time. So it failed a big time. You see, Nokia stuck with Symbian phone, and so it did not grow. Similarly, Motorola, it stuck with pagers, and hence it was left behind and were taken over by the competitors. So you can see both of the failures which did not change. I can show you the example of the successful also. Apple has changed a lot because, and because of that, it has been the most successful company, right? So, you have to change constantly. And with the old process, without using the data in a correct way, it's not possible for you to change constantly. Third reason is you have the ability to increase your margins and improve payment terms. So these are the two things we'll be focusing on, because if you will improve your margins and improve payment terms, you automatically grow faster, right? So with the tool we'll provide, with the things we'll implement, you will gain margins also and payment terms also. For example, like many of the manufacturers, they develop product under others brandings, so they are unable to charge premium on their brands. So if you buy a product of a premium category. Suppose you buy a car of Mercedes, so they charge premium on their brand, right? So you get premium on your brand name. So if you're not developing product under your brand name, you cannot charge premium on it. Similarly, I'll give you many examples of where you can achieve both the parts, where you can improve your margins also, and you can improve your payment terms. So here's a general formula to crack 72 lakh rupees of income. So, many MSMEs are, they are having margins of 10%, right? So they are like 10%, we will have the income. And suppose, for example, they are, selling 10 lakh rupees a month and they make around 1 lakh rupees per month. So there are many businesses who are making margins of 1 lakh rupees a month. And now you want to make 70 lakh rupees a year. Like it's like 10 lakh rupees a year means 70. And now you want to make 70 lakh rupees a year. So it's like you want to grow 7 times. So then you just need to increase your margins by 30% and double the sale, right? So we'll do both of the things. We'll increase our margins as well, and we will double the sale. And you can see the calculation here, 3 times the margin, double the sale becomes 72 lakhs. So earlier you were making 12 lakh rupees a year. Now you're making 72 lakh rupees a year. So it's like you have grown 7 times. Sorry, 6 times you have grown 6 times. So most people cannot hit this goal even after going to IIT, IIM. And after using this tool in your business, this will become the standard. For those 3 reasons, I created this product. And why you should grow your business today, even if you have 0 experience. So maybe you are not digital, maybe you are not, you're not a geek guy. So not a problem. But this is the solution. So you have 2 options here. Either you go at it alone, spend thousands, probably several lakhs, figuring this stuff out, getting frustrated and wasting 3 to 10 years of your life, right? And the second option is learn the proven system from somebody who has not just done it, but actually mastered it and is the best at in the world at it. So there are 2 options in front of you. So I want to give you all people watching this video access to our exclusive product called as Lasting. What's included in this tool? Like sales, quality management, people management, order delivery. There is a community, purchase, e-commerce. This will be the complete solution. It will be an end-to-end solution for all the manufacturing businesses. So this platform is designed to help you grow, start your own business, manage it efficiently. So the goal of Lasting is to show how you can perform tasks that really matter in the business. And you can do the same by just copying us. So you just have to copy us what we are doing. It's not like, you have to see like what is the next step. We won't even recommend running a business without using our product. So do not leave any stone unturned to build and grow your business with Lasting. You will just end up wasting time and a lot of money and wondering why you aren't getting results. Look at Lasting, we have a huge advantage over everyone else. Why? Because we do this stuff every day and we have gained expertise in our work. And now I want to share all this information with you. We have set aside some time next week to speak to you personally about how we can help you become a successful business owner. And the cost of this call is free. So you don't have to pay anything for this. And this is something we are doing it for free. Like we want everybody to grow. It's not like we are charging or anything, right? So I think you should book a call with us. So this is the link to call with us. And currently there are over more than 230 people who are using this product. So, and my schedule is like, I can handle only 14 calls over the next 5 days. So I think you should apply, right? So who this product is for? This product is for any manufacturer, distributor, service provider, retailer, or a trader. Manufacturing businesses who are giving credit to their customers. So particularly to those people who are giving credit to their customers. Service-based businesses who have good skills but are unable to manage their time. right? I have seen many people who are very, very busy. So they're very, very busy because they're unable to manage it. It's not like, they are doing very good. I consider they are unable to manage their time. So people who have the will to make their company a grand success, what would happen after you book the call? After booking, you will be able to apply for a call with Vishnu Gupta, that is me, where I would be giving you the advice. On your selected date time, you will get a call and we will talk about your business or your career. If you are the right, if you are right for a product, then I will let you know about the additional details about the program, right? So this is the path number one, where you are alone, you are clueless, right? Same products and customers, unfulfilled dreams, no idea how to grow, lack of high margin products. And this is the other path where you can see there are people who are visionary, who are supported by others, and they have ability to achieve anything, and they know how to take advantage of the opportunity. So this is the link. There are more than 230 businessmen who are using this product as of now. And my schedule can allow only 14 calls. So you may apply now.